Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have this amazing recipe for Boudin meatballs. I need just a few ingredients and I have 1 kilogram of pork shoulders, 200 grams of chicken liver, a few celery stalks, 3 celery stalks, 2 bell peppers, 2 onions, 2 hot spicy peppers, salt, pepper and chili powder. And I'm going to start chopping the vegetables that I washed previously, and I removed the seeds for the peppers, and I am putting everything in a pot. Chop everything finely because it's going to end up as a paste. Now chop again the celery stalks, the onion as well, and the hot peppers, and I am removing the seeds from them and chop them finely. I'm going to cut the meat in smaller pieces because it's going to boil faster. Place everything in a pot and the chicken liver. Add chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper finely ground. Cover with water and put everything to boil for about 2 hours. If you can let the meat and vegetable marinate in salt, pepper and chili powder, good for you, but I didn't have time. I'm also going to chop some garlic cloves, and I'm going to put them in the same pot to boil. Simmer on a stove for about 2 hours. In the meantime, I'm going to boil some rice, and I have here 2 cups of rice. I'm going to cover the rice with 6 cups of water, salt. I'm going to boil this rice and let it cool down completely. When the meat is almost falling apart, I'm going to pass everything through a sifter and save the juice from the meat and vegetables. At this stage, you should let everything cool down completely, but I didn't have time, so I started chopping the meat and the vegetable, transforming everything into a fine paste. Chop also spring onion, about spring onion, also parsley, half a cup of fresh parsley is going to give freshness and taste to these meatballs. Mix everything with about 3 cups of boiled and cooled down rice. Add a bit of the juice remain from the meat and mix everything together. Place the bowl in the fridge until the next day because it's going to be easier to form the meatballs. Mix some flour with salt, pepper and sweet paprika. Beat well 2 eggs and start forming the meatballs. Pass them through the flour, and after that into the egg mixture. And also you need some breadcrumbs to cover the meatballs in an even layer all over them. Make sure that the breadcrumbs are sticking to the meatballs. And you're going to need some oil for frying. I used the sunflower oil, and I'm going to fry them a few minutes on all sides. Keep in mind that the mixture from inside it's already cooked, so you just need to obtain a good crust over the meatballs. You can serve them warm or cooled with remoulade sauce, with ketchup, or whatever you prefer. They are delicious, easy to prepare, and I obtain about 50 of these, so invite your friends to help you eat them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you here next time with another recipe. Bye!